you go to the store and you're buying, or let's say you go to the pump and you're putting gas in the car and you're paying $4 a gallon, the reason why it's so upsetting is because in our minds we're thinking back to some lower price, be it $3.50, $2.75, $1.50, $1. For me, it's 86 cents. So, to me, it's very painful to go to the pump because in my mind, gas should be, quote unquote, should be 86 cents a gallon. The same type of process happens in the markets where traders will be anchored to a certain price, so that price implies automatically either price is cheap or price is expensive. If price is cheap, that represents value. Now, value doesn't necessarily have to mean the pound goes all the way down here to 72.80. Value could be here in this triple bottom that we're developing along this area right here. So we could have value right here. If the market does manage to go higher, and say it breaks through this 35 or 40-year high on the pound, it could be that that level becomes value. It all depends, again, on what price is doing at the current time. Based on what we're looking at on the chart, we're definitely in a value area, so we've got to be aware of that. However, that doesn't mean that price automatically has to or must go up. It could very well go down. We don't know. We don't control the market. There's no prayer of us controlling the market. The best we can do is observe. So, like I was talking about last night, we had the opportunity today to trade the market in a couple of ways. So let's take a look now. We'll go down to the hourly chart. As we were coming into the European session, and I'll put this right there, there's 3 a.m. The pound was trading downward, just as we were hoping. At this point is where we've got to take a look at the market and make a decision. What are we going to do? Well, if you remember yesterday or last night, I was talking about how you've got to make the choice of whether you're going to look for a counter trend trade or a trend trade or both. At this juncture, if you remember last night, I said we really have the opportunity to look for both. Now, it just so happened that what cropped up was the counter trend example, meaning the market came down into support and then started to make its way to the upside. So let's talk about how that opportunity